Every day, we have the choice: stay the same or upgrade. If you start today, you'll feel the change this week, see the change in a few weeks, change your life in a few months. Make your 2023 better than your last, because life is about progress, and one of the least fulfilling places to be is the same place as last year.
Oh, as usual tumechelewa tu kama kama kawa na kuna kaa hakuna hata train yoyote. Tumewachwa okay, hatujawachwa na train kwa sababu we hadn't booked, but yeah, watu wengi wamewachwa. Character development imefanyika hapa. Yeah, you guys, it's not easy. We were supposed to go to Suswa today. Today is on the 15th and I'm reporting live from Nairobi terminus. So guys, if you're planning to go to Suswa, I'd advise, not even an advice, it's advisable that you book online kama huwezi fika hadi huku. Then you book prior, like maybe a week earlier or 3 days earlier, kwa sababu the trains zinajaa zote. And you're supposed to be here before 8:50. The train leaves at 8:50 a.m. Si kama venye imeandikwa kwa internet ati 9:10. Please, 9:10 ya kitambo, sahi ni 8:50. Anyway, it's been nice. I've taken some nice photos. So we are changing location, but next week on Sunday, being the 22nd, at least I'll be going to Suswa, so you can expect the Suswa vlog to be up like in the next 2 weeks, maybe. Oh, anyway, something else that has just happened is my stand, my tripod stand. Yeah.
In other news.
Another news, my tripod stand did the thing. It did the the damn thing, guys. So this is what has happened. Yeah. Imevunjika.
We secured our tickets, so we are adventure ready.
We've made it to National Museum. We actually thought, like, instead of going home, since we had snacks and everything, we thought, see, tuende tu tukana picnic. Yeah, so we are here at National Museum. And we're just gonna have a picnic. We've decided to go to Snake Park. Tunataka kubeba manyoka. The charges are 200 bob. And if you want to go to both the museum and the Snake Park, it's 300. I think it's 300 or 400 bob combined. So we are setting up our picnic spot. We've decided on this spot because we are in the middle of the garden, and down here kuna konga na crocodile, but I think right now imeshatolewa, it's not down there anymore. So yeah, Angie is just setting up our picnic spot and we're about to have a good time. Say hi to my viewers, Angie.
Hi guys. What's up? Nice to see you again.
How our setup looks like. Have diaries to journal, and then we have snacks. Mawawao. Hope you guys take notes. Wawa ifai kukosa kwa picnic, okay? We have water, we have juice, we have cooked food, and today we are trying this sour candy. Tutawambia venye ina taste later on, but yeah, we're about to have a good time.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys, guess who has a video making kit? I wow, guys, oh my god, maybe let's see.
What's that?
It's a light. So guys, this is how the inside looks like. I have my light over here, my microphone, and then this is a Bluetooth shutter, the stand and the phone holder, and then I have the connection, whatever is the USB, they call them USBs or whatever, yeah. But yeah. As you enter Sneak Park, you'll come across tour guides at the entrance. Of course, they charge a fee. It depends. The fee, I guess, starts from 300 to 500, or it could be more, depending on your bargaining skills. Anyway, the tour guides take you from one snake to another, giving you a brief description of the snakes. As you can see here, we had the Africa rock python, and this is the snake that we actually carried. And according to the tour guide, these snakes loves human interaction. Inapenda kubebwa. And here we have the brown house snake. There were 6 inside there. These snakes normally love staying in the houses, so they usually hide in houses. Yeah, interesting, right? And then apparently this is not the green mamba, guys. This is not the green mamba. I can't remember its actual name, but yeah, it's not the green mamba. And fun fact, this snake inakula chameleon, guys. The way it's small, yeah, it eats a chameleon. And here we have animals cohabiting in the same environment. So we had the rufous snake, we had the great lizard, we had the tortoise, and also there are rabbits there. Another interesting fun fact is snakes do not eat rabbits. I know, right? That's crazy. Apparently they have a way of coexisting with each other. Yeah, so snakes don't eat rabbits at all.
If you're wondering if the snakes ever get outside these walls, no, they don't. The walls are slippery, so the snakes can't climb outside the walls. So it's actually very safe. They are just literally confined inside that environment. Honestly, if you ask me, Snake Park is a really interesting place to visit. There's so much to see. There's ranges to the snakes that are there. There's so many animals to see. Like, I know you haven't seen a monitor lizard before. Guys, it's 2023. You literally have no excuse whatsoever to not go on such adventures. It's only 200 shillings to get to Snake Park. Either you can go to Snake Park or you can go to the National Museum. It's 200 bob. If you want to go to both of them combined, it's 300 shillings. Hamna excuse ni 2023. Make sure you're going on such adventures. Live life a little. Get to see these things. Surprisingly, this was the highlight of my day. There's just something about watching crocodiles. I'd be on Nat Geo Wild and I'd look for videos of crocodiles. There's something fascinating about how crocodiles can be so calm, yet they are really vicious animals. Like right now, they're just chilling. You can even think like, oh wow, this animal is chilling, it's nice, but no, it's actually watching you from afar. Yeah, and look at how big this crocodile is. Hii crocodile kaweza kuwekea hiyo mguu tu hizo. Guy, si umeenda tu umededi hivyo. So guys, we are finishing off with the aquarium.
And carp because of the viscous or the you find them in Tana River, Karama River, and Ad River, and the Yairi. There's a bucket tilapia. As we proceed, we talk about it down there. samaki tilapia na naya tilapia. Ile ya white ndio samaki, nyingine ya dark ndio naya tilapia. Both of them they are edible. Yeah, and samaki is a mouth-breeder whereby samaki mwenyewe anaweza survive kwa sasa milioni ya kuishi kwa moto.
Alafu anarudi maskani.
A question to all my viewers. Do you guys actually believe that mermaids do exist? The tour guide asked us if we believed in the existence of mermaids. I personally believe that since only 5% of the water bodies have been discovered and 95 hasn't, yes, there's a possibility that mermaids do exist. Angie thinks it's a myth, and the tour guide believes in science, and in science there's no such thing as mermaids. Anyway, we'll finish off with the marine aquarium. Kindly give me your answers in the comment section.
So hii ni kwa zebra mrefu na inapatikana ndani ya ocean na ni samaki, sio nyoka. Hii ni samaki na inapatikana ndani ya ocean. Zebra mrefu.
Wow, wanatuperformia.
Tuko na angelfish na tuko na blue cucumbers. Na pia kuna damson fish pia. Kwa damson.
Come to the end of this spectacular vlog. Like, snake park has been so dope. Nilibeba nyoka, lakini nilipigwa tu picha. Hakukuwa na video, and I was so scared. I almost ran away. I thought I would deal with snakes this year, but hey guys, snake sensia, I can't deal with y'all. Mi nimekata. Carrying snakes just isn't it for me. Like this video, kindly don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe.